snake. Oh my God. Oh my God. You want to see it? Oh my God. It literally made a sound at me, and I lifted my foot. I lifted my foot to like not get like, oh my God, that was scary. I mean, I was like legitimately scared. Like,
was it coming across the road?
It was right next to the road.
You see it.
No worries. I'm gonna take a little video of this. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's a rattler. Right there. Right there. Right there. There's the rattler.
I see the snake.
It's a rattler, and I almost rode over it. Holy. You gotta bend down. It's right underneath the bush.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
I see it now. Yes.
Holy shit. I was riding, and then I took my foot out because it went, and I'm like, I mean, it was gnarly.
They're out, geez, when it's warm like this.
It is like, it was like, I knew about snakes, but this is the first snake encounter.
I've seen a bunch of them here, but not this.
Yeah, I wear those kind of shoes too. I ride out here almost every day, and then I can lift my feet up, because I've run them over before on a bike.
I've ridden over them one time. That's
Yeah, it's scary, isn't it?
I don't think it was a rattlesnake.
Nothing about this.
I rode over something at Kings Mountain Preserve. That side.
Down Mountain.
I mean, not Kings Mountain Preserve, the Down Mountain Regional Park, sorry.
Yeah. There's a lot of them there too. So,
Oh my God.
A lady that had a snake go through her front spoke and she went over the handlebars.
I saw somebody took a picture or something like that. It was like wrapped around the back wheel and the chain or something.
You got it, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, by on that side of it.
One of the things I have it on GoPro, so it'll be funny to like see it, like my reaction. Like, oh my God.
But he was in the trail when you came.
He was right here, and what happened was you kind of scared him a little bit. So when I was coming, he was like almost reacting to me, and then I heard the and I'm like, oh my God, what was that?
Yeah, that's why I wear these kind of shoes. They look like feet up quicker.
Yeah.
I've seen them all over the place on the south side of. I think they nest. They only go like 100 yards from their nest.
Oh my God.
I've not seen him around here. Yeah, he's still coiled out.
Yeah, he was pissed. I mean, he was right here actually, I think. You can actually see his marks.
He can strike pretty far.
Oh my God.
Yeah, once they're coiled, it's crazy.
Yeah,
Where
I'm
you guys from?
Scottsdale. Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I just come over here a couple miles.
Yeah, nice. Rio Verde, right? Ish.
Rio Verde, yeah, great place to ride.
Oh, is there more trails up there in Rio Verde area?
Especially 9 Mile.
Loop, have you guys done the?
Yeah, I did the loop 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, it's a good trail.
9 Mile Hill.
Like 14, 15 miles.
Oh, 9 Mile. That's road bikes.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I've met a few times.
I think I'd rather ride out here with rattlesnakes than ride with cars.
Me
No, I
too.
agree with
Me
you
too.
100%.
Me too. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, I'm still like shaking off.
I know. Now I'm afraid to go past him.
I mean, he's in that bush. I mean, he's not. You know. Well, you do you, man. I don't want to be giving you legal advice or financial advice. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was an encounter. Oh my God. Oh my God. Huh.